In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to convert HTML to PDF with C# in .NET 10. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this tutorial on converting HTML to PDF using IronPDF in .NET 10. First, we're going to start by opening the Visual Studio 2022 and creating a new project. So first, I'll click on Create a New Project to get started. From the project templates, we need to select Console App for C# and hit Next. Here we can see that we're creating a console application project. Write the project name, IronPDF.NET 10 tutorial, and hit Next. Now, the most important part of this tutorial is this. We need to select .NET 10 Preview as our target framework to take advantage of all the latest features. After that, hit the Create button, and the project is now being created. So now we need to install the IronPDF package to enable HTML to PDF conversion functionality. So let's go to the Tools menu and select NuGet Package Manager, then Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. The NuGet Package Manager window is now opening, so now I'll click on the Browse tab and search for IronPDF, and this will bring up several IronPDF related packages that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and select the main IronPDF package. This is the core library that we need. I'll click Install to add it to our project. All right, the package is now installed along with its dependencies. So let's move to the program.cs file and start writing some code. So now let's look at the using statements I've added to our program.cs file. At the top, we have using IronPDF. This is the main namespace that gives us access to all the IronPDF classes and methods that we'll need for the PDF generation. We also have the standard.NET namespaces, using system, using system.io, Unicode, and tasks. Our first example converts HTML strings directly to PDF, and I create a Chrome PDF render instance and define HTML with title, heading, and paragraph tags. The @ symbol creates a verbatim string, avoiding quote escaping. The render HTML as PDF method performs a conversion instantly, and using path.combine ensures cross-platform file paths. Save as writes the PDF to disk, and the console output confirms the file location. So this demonstrates how simple this conversion method is. So the second example converts local HTML files to PDF. I specify the sample.html path using path.combine for the current directory. The file.exist check creates a minimal HTML file if missing, ensuring that the demo just runs smooth. Static render HTML file as a PDF provides a convenient static conversion without custom options. The same save pattern applies: combine paths, save PDF, display confirmation. And this shows file-based conversion capabilities of IronPDF. Example 3 converts web URLs to PDF documents. Using example.com as the target, IronPDF fetches and renders the web page automatically. Static render URL as PDF handles web requests and HTML parsing internally. The identical save process demonstrates consistent API patterns across these different content sources. And this really just showcases IronPDF's versatility for web content conversion and enabling automated report generation from live websites. The final example adds professional headers and footers using HTML fragments. Notice the placeholder tokens like page and total pages for dynamic content. I then configure rendering options with HTML footer objects, setting fragment content, divider lines, and 100 millimeter height limits. Margin top and margin bottom of 40 millimeters prevent the content overlap. And this basically creates a nice professional document with automated page numbers and consistent branding throughout the PDF. All right, so let's go ahead and run our application to see IronPDF in action. I'll press F5 to start debugging, and you can see the console window opening. And the application then begins executing our code examples sequentially. All right, perfect. Console shows our application running successfully, and you can see the IronPDF examples starting message, followed by confirmation messages for each PDF file that was created and saved to a current directory. So looking at the console output, we can see our 4 PDF files were generated: HTML string.pdf from our HTML string, HTML file.pdf from the local file, URL.pdf from the web URL, and then the HTML with header.pdf with our custom headers and footers. So let's examine these PDF files our application generated. All right, so here's the first one, HTML file.pdf, created from our local HTML file. You can see displays sample local HTML file with the text we programmatically created when the file didn't exist initially. Next is HTML string.pdf. This generated directly from our HTML string variable. And notice how it perfectly renders hello from IronPDF as the heading. And this was rendered from a string as the paragraph maintaining proper HTML formatting in the PDF output. Here's url.pdf created by fetching content from example.com. And you can see that it captured the actual web page content, including example domain heading and explanatory text about the domain's purpose for documentation examples. All right, that concludes our IronPDF tutorial for .NET 10. We demonstrated 4 conversion methods: HTML strings, local files, URLs, and headers with footers. IronPDF's Chrome PDF renderer provides all these powerful PDF generation capabilities with simple API patterns. It's perfect for reports, invoices, and any documentation in your .NET applications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. There's a link in the description below. Check it out.